Systems of Linear Equations by Nila and Hayl. Here is the equation problem. 2 small pitchers and 1 large pitcher can hold 8 cups of water. 1 large pitcher minus 1 small pitcher constitutes 2 cups of water. How many cups of water can each pitcher hold?
Here's a tip. Let's draw out the equation using diagrams and pictures.
An equation of pictures?
So this equation would look like 2 small pitchers plus 1 large pitcher
Equals 8 cups.
And the next equation would be
1 large pitcher minus 1 small pitcher equals 2 cups.
yay!
Now we shall identify the variables. Pictures with variables x and y. You can use any letters if you want to, but we're using x and y for this problem.
So this would look like 2x plus
Y equals 8.
and the next equation would be y
Minus x equals 2.
2.
What strategy should we use for this? Do you remember how to solve this kind of equation? Here are the strategies we should use. Either by combining the equation.
Okay, to solve this equation, you have to combine it, as my partner did not say. I don't think she said. Okay. What strategies can we use to combine equations?
We can use substitution. We can use addition. Or we can use elimination. For this one, we'll be using elimination.
No addition.
No. Okay, we're using addition.
Yeah, we're going to be using addition. Here's a tip. If we realign the problems, we can line up the variables to make it look less horrible. Yay! So this would make it equal 2x plus y equals 8, like before. Except the next equation, if we realign it, we can get x minus y equals 2. Oh yeah, -2. How fun.
So now
Okay.
we're going to add it.
Yeah, we can add it. How fun.
If you remember, negative plus a positive,
This cancels out if
Yes.
you add it. Oh my god. If this cancels out, this means we get
3x.
oops, wait. We get
3x.
Oh my god, what did I mess up? No, screw this. Damn it. Okay. 3x equals
6. Now we divide 6 by 3x to figure out x. Oh my gosh.
and this gives us
X equals 2 cups for the small pitcher.
yay. Now we can plug that in.
Let's plug in
If x equals 2 cups, let's plug that in to the first equation. So
To
our
get
first
y.
equation was 2x
plus y
plus y
equals 8.
equals 8. So if we plug in x, that's, tell me, Haley, what's 2 times 2?
4!
Yay!
So 4 plus y equals 8.
Equals 8. So let's do this. Let's take the 4 over here, and that gives us y equals, what's 8 minus 4, Haley?
4.
Yay!
So y equals 4 cups and x equals 2 cups.
And we solved that equation.
Yay!
So tell me, what tips and stuff did we use to solve the systems of linear equations?
We used lots of tips, but the first one that was really helpful was to draw pictures for the equation.
Pictures!
The second tip that was really helpful
was to identify what we needed to do to solve it.
Yes.
Combining equations is always fun. Yeah. Actually, no, that's not what we did. Okay, actually, before we combine the equations, let's make that a 3 because we messed up. Before we combine the equations, we identified the variables.
Tip number 4 was to line up the variables.
Yay!
Okay,
And then we
thanks.
can plug stuff in. Oh,
Plug
that's
it
not
in.
how you spell plug. Okay.
Plug it in.
Plug it in. Yay!
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, that was awesome. The end.
Bye. Join us next time.
We aren't doing any next time.